I'm stacking this one on top of the other one. This Super Sunday thing's hurting my back, so I'm hoping maybe I can stand up a little higher and survive it. Easy, easy. This is another big clutch. They've all been really nice clutches, good survival rate. And this one here, we might even get able to see a titanium. We just cut 50 eggs and never saw a titanium. I don't know about 50, saw 30 eggs and never even saw a titanium, but we did good on the tiger titaniums and the plutoniums. This is the same thing. And I'm pretty sure that last clutch we either got one tiger albino titanium and I'm almost positive at least one. Well, not see, we got two total that are plutoniums, albinos, or a tiger albino titanium and a plutonium albino. Either way, the plutonium albino is really rare. We only have one ever, period, albino. So here we go. We don't have very many plutoniums, and that clutch had a good number of plutoniums too. So this one here can't have a plutonium, but you never know. It's Sunday. It could have anything it wants.
True.
Super Sunday, may I add. This is probably about egg, what, 100?
No, by the time you're done, it will be.
It'll be over 100 eggs by the time this one's done that hatched today. And there's still another clutch in the incubator that is supposed to cut today. So we may have to look at that. I told you we might see a titanium, and there it is.
Wow.
Oh, and it's a screamer. Look at the red tail, spots, and it's got yeah, that's the kind we want. So, woohoo! Gray little pinstripe down its tail. So I knew we'd see a titanium today. At least I was hoping we would. Now we want to see that in an albino form. There's a straight up, well, I'd say straight up normal, but it's not. I can tell it's a citron. So yeah, one, oh, what's that?
Looks like a tiger.
Tiger? Yep.
Oh, yep. Wow.
Gee, the thing looks like a
Plutonium.
It looks like a plutonium, but it isn't. Can't be. It's not even possible.
It's a tiger.
Ooh, it's a chromeback.
That's a chromeback.
That's good. Now that's the kind that makes the. I haven't hatched too many of those. I got an adult one of those things. It's just to die for. It's one of my favorite snakes. Every time I look at her, I just think, oh, I love that snake. We're hoping to breed her this year. Something cool. Oh man, look at that. Tell me that ain't impressive. This is het to het. This is like non. That's crazy. So there's a titanium tiger, a titanium spotanium basically, with the spots down the side, and then a straight up titanium. That's nice. Blue, steel blue top to it. It's gorgeous.
Tiger.
There's this regular tiger. Another tiger. Pop that one out. Give it some room. That one needs some fluid. Sometimes when they're that dry, we put fluid from other eggs in them. What is it?
It's a tiger. Titanium.
Wow.
A really pretty one.
Look at that. How can that even come out that orange? That is bizarre what this gene is just.
It's got some variety.
That is just amazing. That snake doesn't belong in this clutch, it looks like.
Where's the albino?
The question is, will we get our albino? There's an albino.
There we go. Wow, that's a titanium pet something.
So that looks to be what we would albino citron.
Yeah, tiger.
Tiger.
That's beautiful.
Pretty snake, whatever it is. Wow, there's a cheetah. There's what we call a cheetah. Look at that thing. Dang, that's a cool snake all by itself. really cool tiger. Maybe this is one of those. We got the Trinity going on there. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. There we go, guys.
Looks like the right kind.
It's the right kind. Glow in the dark. The tiger.
Yep.
Gorgeous. It's funny. It's got this color.
It does.
It's totally the sibling to that. It's got that real dark orange sides. That one has orange. Cool. There we go. Boy, tell me that ain't a pretty little set of 4 eggs all touching. Is there any? No more. Oh, we better go over here. This is one of the only eggs touching. There's nothing to that theory, guys.
Nope.
It's just fun. We're having fun with it. Okay, maybe there is some theory to it now. The theory of relativity. It's a tiger citron. I can see looks like a sun tiger, and I know it ain't a sun tiger.
It's a lavender. This is the only one of the 2 females that can produce a lavender.
Oh, come on.
Hopefully, that might be the first tiger titanium. Another lavender.
Wow. That is a pretty snake. God, look at that. Looks like just a full-blown sunfire.
Yep.
But it isn't.
Nope.
Because it's a citron. And it's another albino tiger. Remember, we're only looking for that 1 out of 16 on the albino titaniums. There's another jag. At least that's what we call them. Just because they're all spotted and look unique. And tiger. Another albino tiger. This is the most albinos we've ever gotten at one of these clutches. Seems like. We had one other clutch like this.
Titanium.
Yep, there's a regular titanium. Wow. That's a standard right there. And it looks good. I like the standards as much as all the other ones. It's just...
Tiger.
Looks like twins almost.
Yeah.
Just could be a little one. My razor blade screaming, hey, give me a new one.
That titanium.
Tiger. The view's incredible. Got one eyeball sticking up looking at me way down from the back of the egg. Reminds me of Jurassic Park. Man, lots of albinos. Ooh, that's a pretty snake. That's got to be a citron. It's another one of those. Looks like an albino sunfire. We're dancing over here. I got that side done. Down to 5 eggs. Will we see our second one? Not in this egg. Wow, it's a beautiful tiger. Oh, there's a titanium. So at least we'll have a few titaniums. Whoa.
31.
Look at that, guys.
Wow, that's different.
Look at that. Ho ho. Come on. We did good on titaniums and good on the albinos, but kind of they didn't cross over too good. But hey, we got a gorgeous one over there. Last egg.
Yeah, one more.
I got one more.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, one more over there. No. Just another titanium.
Wow, we got a lot of titanium.
That's good. Well, this is a really good clutch because we don't have too many titaniums. So, stocked up. And there's a tiger. Tiger citron. So there it is. It's one albino titanium tiger.
Let's see, pull its head up. If you can.
Mm.
Nah, maybe not.
He ain't gonna let me pull his head out.
Yeah, leave him alone.
Well, he's gorgeous. We'll leave him in there. He's way ready to look around. Boy, look at that. He's a chrome back. See that?
Yep.
Gorgeous snake. Wow, we did good on the titaniums. We did good, period.
A lot of titaniums.
We got there's two titaniums right there and a tiger titanium, and here's a titanium there, all connected. It's funny. 3 of them. Whoop.
Wow.
So pretty cool. Yep. Awesome clutch. We still have one more clutches at 84 days. We'll peek at it in a minute. Maybe this thing's going to be part 5, 4, 10. Maybe we'll just be cutting all night. Feels like it right about now. So we'll see if we get one more out of this thing. We still got one more clutch in there. We're going to go peek and see if anybody stuck their head out. Take care, guys.